Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Piraeus, Greece. And it's about maybe 20-30 minutes south of Athens, and it's a little port town. So this is where all the ships come in and everything else. But behind me is the theater. And so we're going to go take a look at the theater. And it's pretty amazing from the outside. And I can only show you the lobby. You can't go inside unless you buy a ticket, but the outsides look pretty amazing. I mean, I love the big columns and stuff. And I stuck my head in here just to see if I could get inside, but the guy was pretty strict. I even asked if I could just go take a picture, and he was pretty adamant about the not doing that. So we'll go look at the lobby. How's that? And so Piraeus, I think I'm sure I'm not saying it right, but this is the theater, Opera House Theater. Let's go inside and take a look. And the ceilings are pretty ornate. And so this is it, and it looks like there's a little restaurant or a bar over here. It says cafe. So here's the cafe, and it looks kind of nice and cute. Can you see inside there? It's hard to see with the glare. Let me make sure my camera's level. There we go. That's probably a little better. The angle wasn't right. But I think I can go upstairs and look. Yes.
Go until the last step.
To the last step, and that's it.
And we don't sit on the chair, and we don't touch the glass.
Okay.
Take a picture, but don't touch anything.
Okay. Don't touch anything. That's funny. The last step. So I guess this is the last step. Huh. Oh, and it doesn't go very far, so it just goes up to right about there, and you can't go up any farther anyway. But anyway, so I don't really get to show you very much of the theater. I'll try to get a picture off the internet so you can see what the insides of the theater looks like. But this is all I get to show you. I apologize about that, but that's the way it goes sometimes. But I will show you the insides. Okay, well that's it for me. Thanks for coming along. Bye everybody.